Camping is a great way to de-stress and enjoy nature. But when it comes to sleeping in the wilderness, things get a bit more complicated. After a long day of exploring, you'll be more than excited to get a good night's sleep. To make sure you're refreshed and ready for the next day, the best air mattress for camping is an absolute must. There are many products available to choose from. Best air mattresses for camping, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best air mattresses for camping from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Intex Classic Downy Air Set. The Intex Classic Downy Air Set is a super comfortable air mattress that also includes 2 inflatable pillows and a hand pump. The soft flock surface helps to improve comfort, and the wave beams discourage your sleeping bag or sheets from moving around. The top is also waterproof and easy to clean. It even has a 2-in-1 valve with an extra wide opening that simplifies inflation and deflation. This queen-sized air mattress measures 60 x 8.75 x 80, easily sleeps 2 adults, and has a 600-pound capacity. When it comes to portable air mattresses, the Intex Classic Downy Air Set is one of the best. Number 2. Coleman Camping Cot with Side Tables. The Coleman Camping Cot is one of the best rated air mattress options for those who want some extra conveniences and need to sleep off of the ground. The queen-size 3-piece combo includes a battery-operated pump and side tables that have cup holders, so you can store your personal items, drinks, or your water bottle. The dimensions are 78 x 59 x 22, and the cot can support up to 600 pounds. If you need more sleeping space, the cot can separate from the mattress. If not, there's a sewn-in cover to keep the air mattress in place. There's also a twin-sized option that can support up to 300 pounds. To be comfortable, supported, and lifted off the ground, the Coleman Camping Cot is an ideal option. Number 3. King Coil Queen Air Mattress with built-in pump. If comfort is the absolute top priority, then you need to go with the King Coil Queen Air Mattress. The inflation height is 20 inches, so it'll give you the feel of a real mattress. It has an extra thick, durable, waterproof quill top that offers spinal support and helps with good sleeping posture. The suited top helps keep your bedding in place, and there's also a built-in pillow. The mattress has a built-in pump that can inflate it in under 2 minutes, as well as separate inflate and deflate knobs. King Coil also has a twin and California King option if you want to sleep more or fewer people. It's hard to argue with the comfort of the King Coil Queen Air Mattress. Number 4. As Inflate Queen Size Inflatable Mattress. This elevated air bed will put you to sleep as soon as your head hits the pillow. The As Inflate Queen Size Inflatable Mattress is raised 18 inches and promotes good sleeping posture. It has a flock top and velvet-like surface that enhances comfort and makes it easy to clean. There's a built-in pump to automatically inflate the mattress, as well as a manual valve. Along with the queen-sized option, As Inflate also offers a twin and a king option. With the ability to remain inflated with no leaks for up to 48 hours, the As Inflate Queen-Size Inflatable Mattress is an ideal choice whether you're camping in Big Sur or in your backyard. Number 5. Uniplex Never Leak Luxury Queen Air Mattress. One of the most durable air mattresses on the market, the Uniplex Never Leak Luxury Queen Air Mattress is built to stand the test of time. It's constructed with a durable, waterproof, and puncture-resistant PVC material, and has an airtight valve to prevent leaking. The rechargeable pump can inflate the queen mattress in under 90 seconds, and the twin option can inflate in only 60 seconds. This mattress is considered a thin air mattress as it's only 9 inches thick. Compared to its counterparts that are between 14-20 inches thick, this one is much easier to store and travel with. To save space without sacrificing comfort, consider the Uniplex Never Leak Luxury Queen Air Mattress. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.